Hi friend, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, stable, safe and healthy. Friend, like was the everyday. Today also I am going to share here a motivational story. So watch this video till the end. At the end, you are going to get a moral story, a wisdom story, so that we can utilize in our day-to-day life. From there, we can make our better life, better future. The name of the story is The Benevolent King. Once upon a time, there was a king named Alexander. Alexander was a good and great king. He always lifting to his follower. He always tried to make a great kingdom. And every one of his kingdom, the farmer, the poor person are there. But the Alexander always try to make a rich to everyone. He always offered a food, a clothes to his follower. He make everyone person happy and prosperity. The days go on, the year goes on, but one day there was scarcity of food. Means there was a dry period. No any rain is come. No rain. Everywhere is dry out. The agricultural land, the cultivated land is dry out. The river is dry out, and the farmers, the follower, could not do anything, could not cultivate anything, because there is no any rain, any water, and there was two crisis of food, of everything, and the Alexander went to visit to their follower, to the kingdom, and he offered food, clothes, what are the necessary for the farmers. He gifted the food item and clothes, and he make happy that don't worry, I will try my best, everything I will give you whatever you necessary. And every time he used to visit their village, their kingdom, and give the everything necessary food item, clothes, everything whatever needed for the farmers. And the farmers and the follower are very happy to him. And the kingdom always advise a good, a great things, a kindness word, that we will work together, we will survive together. Don't worry and don't be afraid. We are not going to be anything. We are going to be a good, or we will be going to be okay. Whatever I have, the story. Whatever I have, my capital, I am going to give you. Whatever I have in my kingdom, like rice, whatever food item, whatever I have, I am ready to give you. No need to worry. And the rain will come soon, like that. And the king always gives the hope for the follower to the kingdoms. And after a month, rain came, and all the farmers or the cultivators are very happy that 1 month, that whatever the crisis time, the king offered everything, and now the rain came, and they are started for cultivation, started for their agriculture, and after that they grow the different criteria, different crops, everything, and they live a better life. and they, thanks to his king Alexander, and Alexander the king became very happy that he saved to his follower, to the farmers. He could save all the farmers, whatever facing the crisis at the time. So, friend, this is the today's story. So, friend, what you learn from this story means to become a good leader, to become a great man. First, you need to kindness, you need to compensation, you need to helpful to everyone. You need to have a good kind-hearted. Because at the time when the crisis became, the king offered everything, whatever he had. The king did not feel anything crisis, anything problem to the follower, to the farmer. And the farmer was so happy, and the farmer loved much to that king because of his kindness, compensation, prosperity, good-hearted. So, friend, whatever at the time, we should help each other, and you will become a great leader. You will become a good leader at that time, at the end. To become a good leader, to become a great leader, you need to see everyone in your in your area, in your place. You need to find out the problem. You need to try out the problem, what is there. Then you need to help whatever you can help. What you heard, you can help. You need to help. Then the people will follow you. Then that's why the Alexander make a great kingdom in his time, because of that kindness. Everyone obey him, everyone follow him because of his kindness, greatness. So if everyone of you want to become a good leader in your home or in your place or any institution, if you want to become a leader, then you should know everyone of problem. You should know the problem of everyone of the problem. Everyone problem should know. Then try to solve the solution. So friend, this is today's story. If you like this story, then click the like button and also subscribe so that I can grow my channel.